Sorry. Imuka. Bana ngasuje mumuyambe ko. Mumuyambe. Msitule mulete. Mulete msitule. Mulete.
Hello? Yes. How are you? Everyone is yes. What's your name? And so on. We are told there's vote looking up in here. Here.
Waliwo abali mu kubba obululu wano.
Boss, don't use your gun. Don't use your gun.
Bali mu kubba bululu wano ke zizo number plate muzikwate.
We are seeing cars being number plates being removed. Yeah. Yeah. Don't. This is an establishment.
We have had happening here. Who is in charge?
Kanyangole.
Tamari. Yes, moment travel akasera kano wano we bali mu kubbira obululu. Ekikomera kino emmotoka zino zoli mu kulaba wano bali mu kubbira obululu. Wano we bali mu kubbira obululu.
Calm yourself down.
I'm on the press. I'm on wano bali mu kubba bululu. Waliwo embeera eri munda. Bali mu kubba bululu munda. Mwe tuli wano ne Joero wamu ne Secretary General mukwata akaami kano. Waliwo ekiri munda. Wuli emiggo. Bali mu kuba alano. Bali mu kubba bululu.
Akukegenda kuba abantu ako.
Bali mu kubba bululu. Sede bali mu kutukuba mayinja. Bali mu kubba bululu wano. Breaking news. Wano wendi bali mu kubba bululu. Wano wetuli bakasuka amayinja. Tuli na leader of opposition Honorable Joero Senyonyi. Zizo motoka bagyeko number plate.
Okay.